Hi, I'm John Oliver, the Dean of Workforce Development at Richland Community College. Career and technical education at Richland Community College consists of programs that are in high demand for this region and don't require a four-year college degree. But it does require some training in order to be employable and successful. These CTE programs range from a variety of health professions, IT, culinary, to manufacturing skills. The beauty of CTE programs is that they're hands-on training that are connected to real-world applications. Students are out of their seats and putting their hands on the materials that they will be working with in the field. The rising cost of a four-year degree versus the return on investment for many of those degrees should be another reason to consider our CTE programs that can be completed in as little as a month up to 2 years. And then those students are entering the workplace with starting median wages that range anywhere from $40,000 a year to $80,000 a year, depending on the program. Visit richland.edu/CTE works today to learn more about these programs.